Yes, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start the first chapter of science, that is growing plants. So I request all of you to open your books. Chapter number 1 of science, growing plants, is page number 5. Clear? First of all, you have to write in the chat box. You will tell me what makes a surrounding green. Okay, we love the greenery. What makes our surrounding green? Very good, plants. All over around us, there are plants, they make the surrounding green. Okay, then can you tell how do we grow the plants? How do we grow the plants? Yes, write it. Plants can be grown from, you don't have to raise hand, you have to write in the chat box. Seeds, very good. Okay, we sow the seeds from where, seeds help us to grow the plants. Is there another way to grow the plants? With seeds, okay, but if if you have seen some fruits where we see seeds are not there, some plants are there, okay, they do not bear the flowers, no fruit is there, they do not bear the seeds, then what is used to grow the plants? Very good answer. That is, they are grown from their stems. Some of the plants are grown from the leaves. Okay, some of the plants are grown from the roots also. Clear? And these are called the body parts of the plant. Now, can you write the different body parts of the plant? Very good. It's stem, roots, and leaves, etc. Means plants can be grown from other parts of the plant. We cannot grow only from the seeds, we can use some other parts of the plants in some of the cases. So now it's there. Plants can be grown from body parts that we will discuss later on. Now you have seen the fruits, you eat the fruits. Write down your favorite fruit. Of you, which is your favorite fruit that you love to eat? Mango, very good. And write down the number of seeds also. How many seeds are there in mango? Apple, okay. Mango has one seed and apple has more than one seed, okay. Many seeds are there. And strawberry, it has also many seeds. And cherry, okay. How many seeds are there in watermelon? How many seeds? You have to write the number of seeds over there. Some seeds are big in size, some seeds are small in size, like strawberry seeds are small, and in watermelon somewhat bigger size is there, and in mango one big seed is present. So we have plants, they bear the fruits. Some of the fruits have many seeds, they are of small size, and some of the fruits, they have only one seed. Up 6 page kholo. Come on, growing plants. Most plants grow from the seeds. ज़्यादातर plants जो seeds से grow होती हैं. Seeds are produced from the flowers. Flowers के अंदर seeds grow करते हैं. Different plants have seeds of different shapes. कुछ round होंगे, clear? कुछ triangular shape में होंगे. Their size is also different. Like mango seeds is bigger in size than the papaya. Look at the picture of papaya. There are many seeds inside it and they are smaller in size than the mango. Their number is more. All seeds do not grow into new plants. अब सभी जो seeds हैं वो न्यू प्लांट्स में ग्रो नहीं करते. Can you tell me why don't they grow into new plants? All seeds, they are not grown into new plants. Can you tell me why? Because certain conditions are there. They need something to germinate, to grow into new plants. No, wind is not there. We have to say water. They require moisture. Second, yes, write down. Very good. Warmth they require. They require sunlight also. And one more thing, air. जो blowing air है, that is called wind, but we have to say they need air, water, and moisture, uh, or one thing more, sunlight or warmth. If all these three conditions are fulfilled, only then the seeds will germinate. Then to grow new plants, soil is also required. Okay, so air, water, sunlight and soil. ये चार चीजें होनी चाहिए. Only then seed will grow into new plant. Here, so what is required for the seeds to grow into new plant? एक सीड से न्यू प्लांट बनने के लिए, ग्रो करने के लिए 4 things are required. That is called conditions for germination. To grow new plants, seeds require air, water, sunlight and soil. Is it okay? You have to better keep unmuted. Muted. Clear? Don't unmute yourself. Now next is the structure of seed. Seed key structure. Okay, and you have seen the seed. You have to tell what is the actual structure of the seed. What you can do to look at the structure, to study the structure of the seed, you have to take a few seeds. आपने कुछ seeds लेनी है. You can take bean seeds, you can take the black gram seeds, you can take, and you have to soak the seeds in water for one night. Okay, keep them soaked overnight. फिर आप उनको अपनी भिगो के रखना है. Then what you can do? Yes, what you have to take? You have to take one katori, like you can see. Take one katori. Inside katori, I have taken the black gram seeds. Clear? I have put one piece of cotton in it. Okay, you have to put piece of cotton in the katori. You have to put water on it to keep the seeds wet. जैसे मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ, you can see my video. Like this is one black gram seed. आपने क्या करना है? You have to soak it in water for night. One night, पूरा night you have to soak it. इसको पानी में भिगो के रखना है. आपने क्या करना? पानी में dip नहीं करना, but you have to put them on cotton, और cotton को आपने wet करना है, गीला रखना है, so that they get air as well as water. अगर आप पूरी पानी में डुबो के रखोगे तो वो जर्मिनेट नहीं होंगे, ओनली सॉफ्ट हो जाएंगे. एंड अगर आप इनको एयर भी मिलेगी, वाटर भी मिलेगा फ्रॉम द कॉटन, जो मॉइस्ट कॉटन आपने रखी है, वेट कॉटन रखी है, देन दे विल जर्मिनेट. ओके, जर्मिनेट मीन्स उनमें से बेबी प्लांट जो है वो ग्रो करना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शो दिस इन माय वीडियो. You can see this is the seed, black gram seed. ये आपने भी करना है. What you have to do? You have to put the seeds in the katori, cotton, wet cotton पे रखना है overnight. Next day or after 1 or 2 days, you will see them growing. Now to study the structure of the seed, what you need, you can see there is one outer cover, जो brown से color की outer covering है. That is called seed coat. जो मैं remove करने जा रही हूँ from this seed, जब आप भिगो के रखोगे तो यू कैन सी कि जो आउटर कवरिंग है दैट इज कॉल्ड सीड कोट. आई हैव रिमूव्ड द सीड कोट फ्रॉम द सीड and now you can see what is inside the seed coat. What is the function of seed coat? Seed coat protects the internal embryo. जो आप देख रहे हो, दिस इज द ग्रो कर रहा है, छोटा सा प्लांट ग्रो कर रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एम्ब्रियो. एंड these are two cotyledons. Clear? Two cotyledons are there. Another name for the cotyledons is seed leaves. ये दो सीड लीव्स हैं, इनको हम कॉटिलीडन्स भी कहते हैं. कॉटिलीडन्स का फंक्शन है टू स्टोर फूड फॉर द बेबी प्लांट. जो टाइनी छोटा सा बेबी प्लांट ग्रो कर रहा है इन बिटवीन द कॉटिलीडन्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड. About the structure of seed, there are three parts. Now write down in the chat box अगर आपको तीनों समझ लग गए हैं. Name the three parts of the seed. Yes. Yes, बेटा. हाँ जी. Write down seed coat. Very good. Seed coat का function क्या है? Write it also to protect the embryo. Clear? And inside the seed coat, जो मैंने seed coat remove किया, you can see, देखो जो this जो outer coat है, that is called outer covering है seed की, that is called seed coat. Seed coat protects the embryo. Embryo means baby plant. Inside it, cotyledons. Very good. What is the function of cotyledons? Cotyledons means seed leaves. Another name of cotyledons is seed leaves. Seed leaf का function क्या है? Seed leaf protects the. Seed leaf gives food to the growing embryo. Seed leaf या cotyledon जब तक वो उसकी लीव्स नहीं निकल आती ग्रीन ग्रोइंग प्लांट की, थोड़ा बड़ा नहीं हो जाता, बाय दैट टाइम food is provided to the growing embryo by these cotyledons. Okay, seed coat का function है to protect the embryo. Cotyledons का function है to give food to the embryo. Clear? Embryo is tiny growing plant. Later on it grows into new plant. Tiny plant is called embryo. और जब सीड अभी ग्रो कर रहा होता है, अभी ग्रो नहीं, अभी हमने उसको पानी में डिप किया है, तो आप देख सकते हो कि उसके ऊपर, दिस इज आई हैव टेकन द चिकपी, आपके किचन में सब अवेलेबल होता है, तो आप देखोगे कि यहाँ पे चिकपी पे एक स्कार होता है. क्लियर? तो दिस स्कार अलाउज द वाटर टू एंटर द सीड. सीड कोट हार्ड होता है बिकॉज इसने प्रोटेक्ट करना है. क्लियर? तो उसके ऊपर एक होल होता है, वी कॉल इट स्कार होता है, दैट अलाउज द वाटर टू एंटर इनटू द सीड. ओके बेटा, इज इट क्लियर? यस, आप सभी चैट नहीं कर रहे हो. आई एम गोइंग टू रीड द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सीड. टेक
Your voice is cracking.
And observe it.
Your voice is not clear.
Better keep muted. You can observe the different parts of seed when you soak. पहले आज आपने सबने क्या करना है? आपने ब्लैक ग्राम, जहाँ बीन, जहाँ सोयाबीन, राजमा, कोई भी सीड लेके आपने कटोरी में पानी डालना है, पानी में कॉटन रखनी है, पानी ज़्यादा नहीं डालना, जस्ट टू कीप द कॉटन वेट, कॉटन गीला हो, और उस गीले कॉटन के ऊपर आपने थोड़े से ब्लैक ग्राम सीड्स रख देने हैं. ओके, यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व. बाय टुमारो यू विल सी कि दे विल गेट सॉफ्टन एंड यू कैन इजीली रिमूव द सीड कोट एंड यू कैन ऑब्जर्व the different parts of the seed. Within 2-3 days.
क्लियर नहीं है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
Manraj, keep muted. Better mute yourself. Clear?
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Beta, sometimes some net problem is there. It will be okay. It may be from your side also. Clear? And the outer covering, अभी आपने किया seed coat, protects the embryo. जब आप seed coat को remove करोगे कल को, आपको मैं बोल सकती हूँ कि you have to show me the seeds which you have kept soaked in the for the overnight. जो आप पूरा भिगो के रखोगे seeds, you can show me tomorrow. You have to study the structure. Then embryo. Beta, keep muted. Raghav. Embryo is the tiny growing plant. And cotyledons, they are seed leaves and they provide food to the growing embryo. वो growing embryo को food provide करते हैं. Now comes some plants like maize, wheat, rice, lily and onion. They have only one cotyledon. उनकी एक ही cotyledon होती है. They are called monopod plants. Mono means one. Mono means one. Di means two. Clear? Now I have taken some seeds which are, now you can see, I have taken the wheat seeds. Are you able to look? Yes, these are the wheat seeds. You can see in my hand, wheat seeds are there. Clear? They are the monopods. जो हम ब्रेड खाते हैं, चपाती खाते हैं, व्हीट फ्लोर से बनती है. तो व्हीट को जब हमने ग्राइंड नहीं किया होता व्हीट सीड्स को, यू कैन सी दीज आर व्हीट सीड्स एंड दे आर मोनोपॉड्स. मोनो मीन्स वन. इनका एक ही सीड लीव होता है, दो नहीं होते. क्लियर? ऐसे राइस, आप राइस खाते हो तो राइस यू कैन सी these are the rice I have taken, and rice they are also monopods. इनका भी क्या होता है, वन ही cotyledon होता है, सिंगल होता है. तो these are called monopods. Okay, 1 second. Then some seeds are called dicots also. Dicot seeds are the seeds which have two cotyledons. Okay. They are having two seed leaves. Like अभी आप जो white color के हैं, जो chick peas है, जो आप white चने खाते हो, you have to see in the kitchen, जो आपने खाए भी होते हैं, इनको भी आप पूरी रात पानी में भिगो दोगे तो next day when you remove the outer coat जो outer seed coat है, जब आप उसको remove करोगे तो you can see कि inside the seed coat there are two seed leaves. Two means di, so they are called dicotyledons. Clear beta? So chickpeas, beans and black gram, they are dicots. इनको हम dicotyledons कहते हैं. और maize, wheat, they are the monocots. Clear? Now what
Almonds are also a dicot.
There is one diagram on page 6 जो जहाँ पे हुए dicot seed, you have to Draw that. You can try to draw that with pencil. Clear? Rough में अभी आप try करोगे draw करना and to write the different parts of this. Clear? Now I'm going to
Excuse me, ma'am.
the screen.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, almonds are also a dicot plant.
हाँ जी. Rajdeep
Ma'am,
ma'am,
almonds are also a dicot.
share the screen. Rajdeep ma'am, kindly allow me to share the screen. हाँ जी बेटा, आप क्या पूछ रहे थे?
Ma'am, almonds
Ma'am, I
are
was
also
asking that.
dicot.
वेदिका प्लीज आप बोलो बेटा, नॉट ऑल ऑफ यू.
Ma'am, I was saying that हमें ये अपनी फेयर कॉपी पे ड्रॉ करना है कि रफ कॉपी पे?
पहले रफ पे करोगी, ओके, देन लेटर ऑन आई आस्क यू टू ड्रॉ इट ऑन द फेयर आल्सो.
मैम चेक प्लीज.
अलाउ मी द स्क्रीन.
Excuse me, ma'am.
मैम हमने
डन मैम डन.
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस बेटा.
मैम हमने क्या करना है मैम? उसमें आपकी हाथ में कसनी थी.
Yes, beta. Now you can see these are the monocots. These are the onion seeds. You can see these are monocots. इनका ऊपर जो है means इनकी जो two seed leaves नहीं होती, they are monocots. Clear? Next, one side on your left side, these are the coffee seeds. क्लियर? आपके बुक में बनी है ना डायग्राम कॉफी प्लांट की, तो दीज आर ऑल्सो द मोनोकोट सीड्स. स्टॉप डूइंग दिस. Okay, so these are coffee seeds, and to the right side you can see these are the seeds of lily. These are the seeds of lily plant. Now this is the structure of the seed. You have to draw like this. You can take the screenshot also. Structure of a seed. Easily you can draw one bean seed is there. You have to label it. Now in the chat box, can you write what is A is written? Embryo. Can you write the name of the seed? Yes, beta. What is C in this picture? Write it. Yes. What is C? जो मैंने लेबल करनी है अपनी डायग्राम, इसमें आप देखोगे कि what is the C? What is C in this picture? Yes, it is the seed coat. Clear? तो seed coat का आप मुझे बता सकते हो what is the function of the seed coat?
When can I tell?
No. Alicia?
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
No, you don't have to unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Alicia, please, can you tell? Unmute yourself, beta. What is the function of the seed coat? जी बेटा.
हाँ हाँ पहले एज की है देखो.
Yes, ma'am.
Now write down the B. What is B in the?
एज की ਹੁੰਦਾ एम्ब्रियो.
Better muted yourself.
नहीं देख ला पहला.
Protect the embryo is okay. Now what is B?
Ma'am,
B is seed coat. Then what is C? C. हाँ जी, C is seed coat. What is B? B अभी आपको नहीं आएगा. We will do it tomorrow. Now what is D? Write it. What is D? Yes, good. D is, two names are there. D के दो names हैं, cotyledons, और we can call it seed leaf also. Cotyledons का एक और नाम है seed leaves. So what is the function of cotyledons? Write it. Cotyledons का function क्या बेटा? Yes. नहीं, अभी नोटबुक पे अपने आप रफ ट्राई करोगे, फिर फेयर पे हम बाद में करेंगे. ओके, आई विल गिव यू इन द होमवर्क व्हेन आई सेंड द इन रिटन दैट ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम, देन यू हैव टू ड्रॉ इट. Yes, cotyledons are fleshy. They store the food for the growing embryo, and embryo is the baby plant. Okay, so C is seed coat and D is cotyledons. Now this is monocot and dicot seed. Monocot means one cotyledon, dicot means two cotyledons. Bean seeds, black gram, chickpea, these are the example of dicot seeds. और monocot में maize, rice. अब आप observe करोगे in your kitchen. You have to keep all these seeds with you. Tomorrow I can ask any student to show me monocot seed or dicot seed. You will do it. And one thing more, what you have to do? You have to soak the black gram seeds in the katori. Okay, beta? So that's all about today. You have to read page number 5 and 6 today. And then after that, we will